What we mean by the basket logic is actually this, friends. In other words, instead of focusing on a single coin, diversify and don't forget to include dollars and Bitcoin in this basket. Hello friends, welcome to Coin Engineer. Today we will talk about American origin cryptocurrencies and how we should include them in our portfolio. I will talk about these. Also, many different comments are coming in. I still feel that many people do not understand the logic of diversification. Therefore, in this video, I will highlight some important points and the parts I think you might be missing to be helpful to you. Before we start the video, I recommend subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. This way, you can take advantage of cryptocurrency opportunities. Also, don't hesitate to like the video and write any questions you have in the comments section. We have published many cryptocurrency portfolios so far. Thus, we have filtered through thousands, even tens of thousands of projects and cryptocurrencies. At least to share with you the projects we like and invest in ourselves. Because we can't invest in all of them, friends, we have to choose some among them. However, when we say a meme coin portfolio or an AI agent portfolio, it doesn't mean we go and make a portfolio with all our money in cryptocurrencies from that category. Or holding some dollars, some Bitcoin, and investing the remaining, like 80% or 70% in cryptocurrencies from the same category. Many people end up in a difficult position for this very reason. Friends, now I actually want to create a representative portfolio with you. For example, what do we always say? There should be at least 10% in cash. In fact, depending on your defensiveness, this can go up to 15% or 20%. I don't hold cash. I like to hold it, friends. Let's roughly make it 15%. Let this be our dollars. We can also put Bitcoin here, friends. I mean, regardless of small or large, you can already buy Bitcoin even for $10. This is also important for the defensive part of our portfolio, because even when Bitcoin drops by 3% or 5%, altcoins can drop by up to 15% or 20%. Bitcoin is a safer haven. It's a cryptocurrency that won't disappoint you when held long term. As you know, therefore, I definitely recommend including it in your portfolio. For example, meme coins, right? We are all very interested in them. We shared meme coin baskets on our channel. But it's not very logical to go and buy that basket with the remaining portion. What should we do? You can buy meme coins with 15% or 10%, depending on your interest in that area. For instance, in this part, whether it's GUI, Peppies, Wojak, or whichever meme coins you prefer. So it's actually a basket within itself here. We have a main basket, our main diversification category by category. And within this category, there should be at least 5 to 10 cryptocurrencies from that category. Again, friends, you can choose some of the major cryptocurrencies for a bit of safety. It could be Ethereum or Solana, right? It could be Ripple, or instead there are tokens from various exchanges. Many cryptocurrency exchanges have their own tokens. It could be from those as well, because both are safe havens. Again, compared to a meme coin or compared to a small market cap cryptocurrency, I personally usually prefer the cryptocurrencies of various exchanges in this part. For example, it could be BNB or OKEX, right? It could be MX. When you search for exchange cryptocurrencies, you will see that when you enter many exchanges, they already direct us to those tokens. In my observation, these cryptocurrencies are generally not very affected during downturns, especially if it's a token of a good exchange, one that has been around for years. So, apart from this, it could be AI or real-world assets, right? Tokens of real-world assets like Ondo, or it could be the decentralized science category. For example, there is a cryptocurrency called Bio. It was listed on Binance in the past weeks. This is somewhat up to your area of interest, but it wouldn't be logical to dedicate this entire part to a cryptocurrency category. However, the category I really want to emphasize in this video is I think now there is a category that should take up 10% or 15% of all our portfolios by 2025, and that is American origin cryptocurrencies, my friends. It has come to such a point now. The cryptocurrency market, Donald Trump influences it more than Elon Musk. So look at Donald Trump's background. In fact, he is not very involved with financial matters. A man who was not very engaged. He has been more inclined towards real estate, television shows, realty, and similar fields. This man has no connection with technology, but he is the American president, friends, and somehow he has turned into a major figure in the name of crypto. In fact, he has caused more harm than good. This is also a fact. However, the words that come out of his mouth affect the market regarding Bitcoin and altcoins. We have to accept this. There is no need to act emotionally, and if he continues to act positively, as he promised at the Bitcoin conference, if he turns America into the capital of cryptocurrency, American coins, that is, American origin, Cryptocurrencies will continue to increase even more. Many have already increased. I can't say that cryptocurrencies in this category can bring a lot of profit, nor can I say they are very defensive, but I think they should be in our portfolio. If we compare it to a football field, we can say that there is neither a forward nor a defense. We can think of them as midfielders. However, considering the current state of crypto, we definitely need to closely examine these cryptocurrencies. Friends, we also shared this visual with you on Twitter. Friends, it's a nice picture, a nice chart of how important institutions approach cryptocurrency. We have already mentioned World Liberty Financial in our previous videos. The cryptocurrencies, it is involved with. At the forefront is, of course, Ethereum. Besides this, many cryptocurrencies are included in the basket of World Liberty Financial, created by Trump's team. It's in the spotlight. Apart from this, Grayscale Trump is actually a famous cryptocurrency fund. The cryptocurrencies it is involved with or invests in are present here. Apart from this, there is the Coin Index. This is an index that mostly includes cryptocurrencies with a large market cap. Why is Coin important? Because it is the most used exchange in America. It's not very popular in Turkey, yes, but if the topic is America, we can truly say it's the leading cryptocurrency exchange. Yes, but as I said, in this video we will talk about Made in USA, that is American origin cryptocurrencies, and here in fact we see many American origin cryptocurrencies. Most of them are cryptocurrencies that those who have been in the market for a long time have already heard of. And if we look at the intersection sets, the only cryptocurrency they all intersect with is Link. So, we're making a basket, but should we focus on all of these? There are many cryptocurrencies here. It might not be logical to include all of them in our basket. That's why the ones we can truly call the blue chips, the most important names, are at the forefront when we say Made in USA for cryptocurrency. I will talk to you a bit about the cryptocurrencies that we expect to lead and are currently leading. Of course, the first name will be Ripple. Friends, Ripple is indeed a very old cryptocurrency. It is a cryptocurrency with many believers. Even during the period when it was stuck between 40 cents and 60 cents in past years, some old cryptocurrency investors continued to hold it. And now they are actually reaping the benefits. Look at these prices. In 2024, Ripple has become one of the most important names. Of course, this situation has also been triggered by the American approach, with the American government and cryptocurrency truly merging under the same roof. Ripple's technology is actually related to international payments. Friends, we can say it encompasses the banking system. That's why it's a project integrated with the real world. The fact that it has many holders, meaning those who have held it for years, the biggest. This was already their biggest motivation. In the upcoming period, if you ask any cryptocurrency commentator about which ETFs are expected to be approved, they point to Ripple. Indeed, just like Ethereum was approved. Next in line, in terms of market cap, is Ripple. After such a price increase, the approval of ETFs will not be surprising at all. Apart from this, it's as old as Ripple. During the times I entered the market, I always described it as Ripple's sibling, and I think it is, friends. One of the most important names among Made in USA cryptocurrencies. Its market value is already quite high. Next in line is a market cap of $10 billion. This is also related to payments, friends. We can say it's about international or cross-border payments. Technically, there isn't as good a picture as Ripple. Of course, we can say there is a downward trend. Still, you can see its change over the last few months. It increased fivefold, then of course it dropped a bit. Apart from this, of course, the partner, I will also talk about our cluster, Link. This is a project directly related to cryptocurrency markets. It helps with the data processing aspect of decentralized exchanges. Although Link is not as old as Ripple, it is still a name that has been around for 7 to 8 years. Yes, you might not have heard its name much around 2024. Because most of us haven't had the opportunity to talk about such high-quality cryptocurrencies while discussing meme coins. But its market value or chart movements already indicate its strength. It's a project with solid backing. Apart from this, of course, Solana is also on our Made in USA cryptocurrency list. Of course, you don't need it to be made in USA to invest in Solana. Really, with the explosion of meme coins, the Solana network also exploded, and many projects are still emerging on the Solana network. Many coins are being launched on the Solana network. Even Trump launched his own cryptocurrency, a meme coin, on the Solana network. As you know, a network that won't become outdated. It has become so popular that it's now a legendary network in the market. Solana is a type of cryptocurrency that will never disappoint in the long term. Apart from this, the Made in USA cryptocurrency, you can actually pause the video here and examine the cryptocurrencies. Friends, If you want to make riskier moves, you can turn to those with a slightly lower market cap. That's up to you. However, I would suggest having at least 5 or 6 of the made in USA cryptocurrencies in your portfolio. If American crypto is going to be the center, let's take advantage of it. At least, yes, once again, I tried to explain many things about the basket. And I'm sure in 2025 as well, I tried to talk about important projects from the made in USA cryptocurrency subcategory that we will discuss a lot. We already know many of these cryptocurrencies as they have been in the market for years. Sometimes we don't turn to them because of their boring movements or our desire to make a lot of money. But these, when the time comes, are cryptocurrencies that can be defensive at times and offensive at others. That's why I say don't overlook them. Additionally, you can manage your portfolios from our Coin Engineer website. You can manage them. It's enough to become a member, completely free. You can enter the portfolio section, create baskets for yourself, add or remove cryptocurrencies when you buy, or sell them, and manage how much profit or loss you have, friends. It's quite simple. We also have a detailed video about this. If you can't do it, you can check that out too. For example, let's say we bought Ripple, $30. I bought 100 Ripples, so worth $200. When I say add movement, as you can see, my Ripple is immediately added. It's quite useful and simple. Being able to manage the basket is as important as creating it. For example, I'm just saying here, meme coins have risen a lot, or Bitcoin is rising, but these are not. So what happens then, friends? In percentage terms, Bitcoin's position starts to expand, right? In such a scenario, we can trim a little from our Bitcoins, selling 9% to 15% of our assets and distribute them to other coins. Or similarly, all coins have started to rise. We saw an altcoin rally. What will happen then? The dollar percentage will start to decrease because the others will dominate our portfolio, right? Then we trim from these. What do? We convert to dollars. So roughly maintaining a certain balance is very important of the basket. So we made a basket. Let's hold it. And I'll sell when it does 10x. Binance doesn't make much sense. Gradually making a sale from time to time, adding to the other will be much safer. And you will reach your targeted profits faster. Actually, I hope this video has been enlightening. Friends, I look forward to your nice comments. Your comments motivate us. And if you have any questions, they don't necessarily have to be related to this video. Please write them in the comments. I will personally answer them. Take very, very good care of yourselves. Goodbye.